Good evening, all. On behalf of Orange Education, I, Sonia Mittal, along with our editorial team, will guide you about the changes and updates issued by CBSE in IT 402 for the session 2024-25. One of the minor changes which is being issued by CBSE is the change of software from OpenOffice to LibreOffice. It is not such a major change. By the end of the session, you will notice the changes which are being suggested, they are not that major, they are very minor changes. Let us guide you through these changes step by step. We have issued a notification with respect to the changes suggested, which stated in grade 10, the curriculum changes were suggested. In Unit 1, that is digital documentation, implementation of mail merge is being deleted. In Unit 3, that is database management system, there was an introduction of LibreOffice base, which is being included. And at the same time, introduction to DDL, purpose of create database, create table, alter table, drop table, and insert date and time is deleted. Unit 4, there was a major portion which is being deleted, which included the part of web applications, the subtopics working with accessibility option, understand network fundamentals, introduction to instant messaging, chatting with a contact through Google Talk, creating publishing and web pages, blogging using offline blog editors, online transaction, and internet security. These were being removed. On the contrary, the parts related to health and work safety are as it is continued and are still the part of the syllabus, which includes maintain workplace safety, prevent accidents and emergencies, protect health and safety at work are still continued. In grade 9, as such, there is no addition or deletion of content, but the suggestion is replacing OpenOffice with LibreOffice. Now, let us guide you through the atmosphere or what are the changes which are being suggested from OpenOffice to LibreOffice. As soon as we are going to open the suite, the LibreOffice and OpenOffice, this is the first interface which will be visible to us. If you will see it, the atmosphere related to both the packages is same. In OpenOffice, we are being provided with the different applications like text documents, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, database, formula, and other. Same is the case with LibreOffice. We are being provided with Writer for text document, Calci for spreadsheets, Impress for presentation, drawing, maths, and then base. So overall, the applications which are being provided by both the package suites is same. Now, before proceeding with the changes, let's now see what is OpenOffice and LibreOffice and what are the differences in the overall packages. LibreOffice and OpenOffice both are prominent contenders for Office suite. They offer practical and compatible standard applications for text creation, spreadsheets, and presentations. Now, when we discuss about their differences, LibreOffice and OpenOffice, LibreOffice is more aligned with Microsoft Office. On the other hand, OpenOffice is more aligned with Google Office. Creation of charts, some of the additional features is present in both LibreOffice and in OpenOffice. When we talk about presentation templates, more presentation templates are provided in LibreOffice. On the contrary, there are fewer templates which are provided in OpenOffice. More important export functions are there in LibreOffice. At the same point, OpenOffice provides some limited import and export functions. LibreOffice provides the better compatibility with complex formatting. At the same point, OpenOffice is less compatible with complex formatting. Now, if we check for speed, stability, and security, Your LibreOffice provides you with a 64-bit version also, which makes it a little faster in comparison to OpenOffice 32-bit. Regular updates and new functions is a constant feature of LibreOffice. At the same point, OpenOffice provides rare updates, so it is being provided with hardly any new functions. There are many additional features which are being provided by LibreOffice, but at the same point, there are some stable features which are being provided by OpenOffice also, but which is being supported by less powerful computers. When we talk about teamwork and language settings, LibreOffice provides a wide range of supported language. On the other hand, OpenOffice provides multiple languages, but the language base is comparatively lesser than LibreOffice. Joint editing of files is possible via additional apps in LibreOffice. Shared editing of file is not being supported by OpenOffice. Where is these software where we can implement, or where are these recommended? LibreOffice is being suggested for smaller companies. On the other hand, OpenOffice is suggested more for home users. I hope the difference is clear. It's not majorly in the functionality, it is majorly the integral part of LibreOffice or OpenOffice where the change is there. Now, if we conclude for both OpenOffice and LibreOffice, they both offer comprehensive features for office productivity. LibreOffice edges ahead with its frequent updates, expansive language support, and mobile remote functionality. However, OpenOffice extensive third-party application support under its Apache license remains a strong point for developers and users who prefer customization. Ultimately, it lies in the hand of the user what you want to choose and what are your specific needs, preferences, and the environment. Now, let's move ahead with the syllabus, what CBSE has offered us for session 2024 and 25. We are starting with grade 9. As we all know, grade 9 syllabus is divided into two parts. The first one is employability skills and second part is subject specific skills. Now, for you to easily identify whether there is any change or not, we have at the top right corner specified what is a change, what is not. So if I have marked this slide as a change, that means there are some suggestive changes in the present slide. All the changes have been highlighted. Like unit 3 here, digital documentation, there is some change. Unit 5, there is some change in digital documentation. As my first part, A, employability skill, is not at all highlighted, that means there is no change which is being specified or suggested by CBSE in my part A. Now let's come to part B. Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 4. There are no changes. There are few changes and that too with limited options which are being suggested in Unit 3 and Unit 5. Let's see one by one what are these changes and how we can overcome with them. Now, if we'll talk about the first, that is Unit 3, digital documentation, the interface, what we'll encounter when we'll select this interface or we'll select the writer document is same in both our LibreOffice and OpenOffice. Now, when we have to edit the document, as you can see, there is a change which is marked on this slide and only one topic is being highlighted. So there is a change in this topic, rest of the other topic remains same. So let's move on to the next topic, jumping to the page number. Now, I have divided my slide into two parts. One part will show you the OpenOffice interface and the other part is going to show you the LibreOffice interface. Now, if we'll see the OpenOffice interface, within this OpenOffice interface, if I have to go to a specific page number, I have to go on View menu. From View menu, I have to go on navigator. Then I'll select the page number. At the same point, the same option is available in my LibreOffice also. From view, I can go to navigator and then I can go to the page number. LibreOffice provides you additional feature of directly going to a page by going to edit menu and then going under the head, go to page. Or we can also use the shortcut as suggested, Control G. This is the only change, as OpenOffice does not provide you the direct way of jumping to the page number. On the other hand, here there is a shortcut also in LibreOffice and it is being provided through two different menus. Rest other options remain same. Now, if we'll jump to the next unit, that is electronic spreadsheet, as it is being marked as same, there are no menu option changes and no changes which are being found as per the functionality of the application. The interface which you'll encounter in both the application is same. Now, if we'll talk about editing the spreadsheet, since the slide is marked as same and none of the topic is being highlighted, all the topics and how to implement these topics remain same. Now, in Unit 4, digital presentation, the interface remains same. The presentation application is divided into 3 panes. The first one, extreme left, is slide pane. Center one, workspace area, and the right one, sidebar. This is also same in our LibreOffice and OpenOffice. Now, when we talk about presentation features, there are 4 major topics which suggest the changes. Now, let's go through them one by one and understand where there is a change. Now, when we are selecting the slide layout, in OpenOffice, we go through format and then we go on slide layout. I'm repeating it again. From OpenOffice, in OpenOffice, from format menu, we are going to slide layout. And when we'll select this, the properties window with the different layouts will pop up. On the other hand, in LibreOffice, there is overall a new tab, slide. Within this slide, you have the option of layout. As soon as you will click on the layout, the different options are available and the layout windows like this will appear on the sidebar. I'm repeating again. In OpenOffice, from format menu, we are going to slide layout. And then in LibreOffice, we have to use the slide tab and then layout. Rest of the functionality, how to use it further, how to apply a layout remains same. Next is working with slides. Now, when we work with slide, if I want to insert a slide, I'll go on insert menu. Then I'll click on slide in OpenOffice. On the other hand, since there is a slide tab as discussed in the previous slide, what we do, we go to slide tab and then we'll select new slide. The menu name and the option name is changed. Rest other functionality remains same. Now, how to add and format the images? In OpenOffice, I'll be using insert tab and then there is an option of picture option. On the contrary, in my LibreOffice, from the insert tab, there is option of image. The difference lies only in the name of the option. In OpenOffice, we have it by the name of picture. In LibreOffice, we have it by the name of image. Rest all the functionality remains same. Once you have added the picture, it all is same. Then the next topic, working with slide masters. Now, when we are working with slide master in OpenOffice, we have to use the option from view, master, and then we may select further. On this, at the same time, in LibreOffice, since there is an explicit slide tab, we'll be using slide tab and then we'll be going to change slide master. Then what is to be done in slide master, which slide needs to be added, what features you want to change, what styles you want to implement, the functionality remains same. This was all up to grade 9. Now I'm moving to grade 10. Now as you can see in grade 10, some changes are being suggested. Now what are those changes? Let's see it step by step. Part A remains totally unaffected. There is no change in my employability skills. In part B, in subject specific skills, there are changes which are suggested in unit 1, that is digital documentation, and unit 2, that is electronic spreadsheet. Let's see these changes step by step. Now, the 4 major topics which are being covered in digital documentation for the syllabus of grade 10 are creating and applying styles in the document, inserting and using images, creating and customizing table of contents, creating and using templates. As you can see, all these 4 topics are highlighted. That means there are some few suggested changes which are there. Let's see them one by one. So the first one, create and apply styles in the document. As you can see, from in OpenOffice, we'll go on Format tab. From Format tab, we'll go on Styles and Formatting, or there is a shortcut key of F11. As soon as this option is selected, we'll be provided with a pop-up menu, pop-up option of Styles and Formatting. On the other hand, in LibreOffice, the menu remains same here, Format. Within Format, there is Managing Styles. Or there is another option also. We can also go from View tab. From View, we can go on Styles. As we can see, F11, the shortcut key remains same in LibreOffice also. As soon as either of these options, from Format, Managing Styles, or from View, Styles option is being selected, the Styles pop-up will be given. And then if you will see, it is same in my OpenOffice and in my LibreOffice. So how to implement a style? The functionality remains totally same. The only difference here is the name of the menu or the option under the menu. Now, sometimes it is possible that you want to work directly with the toolbar. And the toolbar, how to add the styles is not visible. How we can add? This remains same in both the applications, that is LibreOffice and OpenOffice. We'll go on View tab. We'll select Toolbars. From Toolbars, we'll select Formatting Styles. As soon as this will be selected, the toolbar related to styles will be added. Next topic, insert and use images. In my OpenOffice, as discussed for grade 9, we can insert an image from insert menu. The name of the head is picture. And then we can insert the image. Now, once an image is being added, to see or to edit its property, as soon as you are going to double click the image, the picture toolbar will pop up. The features and the options provided under this picture toolbar is exactly same what is being provided by LibreOffice. Let's see it how. For OpenOffice, we visited from insert to picture, and then after selecting the image, the picture toolbar is like this. In OpenOffice, it is insert menu. Then instead of picture, we have image option. We can select the image, and to edit the properties of the image, when we are going to double click the image, again the picture toolbar by the name of image toolbar will pop up. The features functionalities remain same. So if you want to edit a picture, you want to crop a picture, you want to rotate it, or you want to apply any kind of filters, the functionality remains same in OpenOffice and LibreOffice. Let's move to the next topic. Create and use templates. Now, if we'll see in OpenOffice, now for templates, there are two specified templates, two ways in which a template can be used. The first one is you are using an already created template, and second one is you are creating a new template all by yourself. So the first way is if you want to use an already existing template, we'll go on file menu, then new option. From new option, we'll go to templates and documents. This is when we are going to create a document from an existing template. On the contrary, in LibreOffice, it is file, new, and instead of templates and document, we have only templates. As soon as you are going to select this, it is going to show you the different options already created templates, already existing templates. You may select any from there. Now, the second way, when you want to create one of your own template, let's assume you are working in any organization or you are working in a school and you want to create a letterhead of your own. So instead of adding it again and again, we are creating a template for the same. So for that case, create the document which you want to save as a template. Go on file menu, select templates and then click save. Your created document will be saved as a template, which you may further use as a template. On the other hand, when we talk about to create a template by yourself and to save it, instead of just save option, there is save as template option under file, templates and save as template. I hope it is clear. I'm reviewing both the options of templates in OpenOffice and LibreOffice. In OpenOffice, it is file, new, and then templates and documents. In LibreOffice, it is file, new, and then templates. When we are creating and saving our document as a template, then file, templates, and only save in OpenOffice, and file, template, and save as template in LibreOffice. Rest each and every functionality remains same. I hope it's clear. Let's move on to next topic. Create and customize table of contents. Now, there is also a slight change. Let's see what is it. For creating and customizing table of contents for the document, we'll use Insert tab. From Insert tab, indexes and tables, and then from indexes and tables, again indexes and tables. And as soon as this will be selected, a pop-up menu like this will be displayed. Now let's go to how it will work in LibreOffice. In LibreOffice, it will be Insert tab, then Table of Content and Index. Here there is a name change of the option. In OpenOffice, it was Indexes and Tables. On the other hand, in LibreOffice, it is Table of Contents and Index. And then again, Table of Contents, Index or Bibliography. When this will be selected, the pop-up menu will appear for TOC, Index and Bibliography. It is same. There might seem a difference for what this picture is saying in OpenOffice and what is not there in LibreOffice, but it is just visual. Every other option in every tab remains same. The protected against manual changes is there. It is same in LibreOffice. Then there are 10 heads which are present in OpenOffice. Same is there are 10 heads, as you can see here, in LibreOffice. So only the menu options or the name of the option is different. Rest each and every functionality is same. I hope it's clear. Let's move on to next topic. Track changes feature. Now, in OpenOffice, it is from edit menu, then we'll go to changes, and then we can record, protect, show, or accept or merge the documents. On the contrary, when we are going to LibreOffice edit, then first of all, there is a option name change, that is in OpenOffice it is changes, in LibreOffice it is track changes. Fine. So then what is the another change which is being issued? Only the name change. In OpenOffice we have edit and then changes. In LibreOffice we have edit and then track changes. No other change. This was all about digital documentation. Now let's move on to next unit, that is electronic spreadsheet advanced. As you can see, only 2 topics are being highlighted. The changes are suggested only in these 2 topics. The other 2 topics remain unchanged. So let's move ahead. Create and use of macros in spreadsheet. Now, when we talk about macros, in OpenOffice, we'll use tools option, then macros, and then record macro. On the contrary, in LibreOffice, it is again the menu option is same, tools. Macros is also same. Then where is the difference? The difference is OpenOffice is directly providing you the record option. On the other hand, there is no record option in LibreOffice by default. So let's resolve this concern. Now, how to enable macros recording in my LibreOffice? This is only 2-step procedure. Let's follow the same. We'll go on to Tools menu. Then we'll select the options. As soon as this option tab is selected, the option LibreOffice Advanced menu will pop-up will be shown. You have to select the advanced option, and after selecting the advanced option, you have to enable macro recording. Now, once this will be enabled and you'll click on OK, and you'll see from tools to macros, the record option will be available. Let me explain it to you again. In OpenOffice and LibreOffice, the difference in macros is by default, OpenOffice provides you the recording option in macros. LibreOffice does not provide you the recording option by default. We have to activate that option. That can be activated from tools to options. As soon as you are going to click options, another window will pop up. From there, we are supposed to select advanced and then the enable macro recording. When we click OK, it will show in tools macros, record macro option will be available. And now our OpenOffice and LibreOffice in aspect of macros is totally same. Tools, macros, record macro in OpenOffice, and in LibreOffice, it's tool, macros, and record macro. So is there a change? Yes, there is a minute difference, but we can overcome that difference by simply enabling the macros recording option in LibreOffice. Let's move ahead with the next topic. Share and review a spreadsheet. Now, in OpenOffice, from the Tools tab, we'll click on Share Document. And then the procedure of share document can be carried further. On the other hand, in LibreOffice, we'll select the Tools tab. Instead of share document, we have here Share Spreadsheet. Only the name change is there in OpenOffice and LibreOffice. Rest, how to share the document is all same. The functionality further from this point ahead is all same. Let's move on to the next topic. Database management system. As it is being suggested, same. Now here, none of the topic is different in comparison to my LibreOffice and OpenOffice. The steps, the menus and the options remain same. Now, again, for your simplicity and simplifying the things, let me show you one of the interface for your database. Now from OpenOffice, you may select the database option. As soon as you are going to select the database option, you will be guided with the database wizard. From here, you may select whether you want to create your table using wizard or you want to simply create a database. As you will follow along, the wizard will guide you with these steps. The same options are available in LibreOffice. You'll select the base database, then it will give you the database wizard, and then again it will guide you with the same options. So whether to create a table at the time of creation of database or not, that is totally your choice. Everything in context of your database management system is same. Now, to conclude, there are only few minor menu option changes. Overall functionality of the software remains same. The present books offering the content based on OpenOffice may also be used for LibreOffice along with the support material provided. Feel free at any point to connect with us at the given email ID. You may share your concerns, any kind of concerns with us at editorial@orangeeducation.in. We will be happy to help you. And in the end, I would like you to tell you that we will also be uploading the supplements on our web portals so that there is no further confusions left. There is no major change. We are good to go ahead with the same material, same books which is being given for OpenOffice. The minor changes which we have discussed here in the given session, these are the only changes which are being observed. Now, I'll request you by the end of the session, please share your feedback and thanks a lot for joining us today.